How to watch anime on your smart TV. The first things first is you have to go ahead and understand the manual from your smart TV on your end. Now you just gotta know if your smart television has this feature in which you can download separated apps directly from your smart TV. Well, if you can download another applications on your smart TV, you can try to download either Netflix, Bilibili, or Crunchyroll. Now, these platforms right here has some specific movies or series specifically on an anime. Now, if your smart television that doesn't have this feature is you can also try to browse a browser from your smart TV. Now, once you have accessed it, just head directly to either of these platforms right here, maybe Crunchyroll or Bilibili, so that you can take advantage and watch anime. And those are the options that you can choose and try to do for you to be able to watch animes on your smart TV.